orchids make such a fabulous statement. Working horizontal, a little more contemporary, a modern vibe to a classic flower. Let's show you the mechanics, foam-free and fabulous, in this video. The start of these fabulous Phalaenopsis orchids. The freckled faces, so grand. Then to enhance the stalk, perfect color, and picking up a little bit deeper with the spray mum. Then just for a bit of contrast, the violet hyacinth, which will also make it so fragrant. Foliage, just a bit of Dusty Miller. The mechanics, going for eco, foam-free, using clear waterproof tape, done in a grid, and then wrapping all the way around with the tape to make sure that the grid doesn't let go. First is to place the lines, letting the stems come out and extend to the side, giving a very contemporary horizontal look. Then I can bring it out even a little longer. Using the stalk on the opposite side, balancing. You can see the stems crossing through the center. And again. And repeating with as many blooms as you want to fill in and make the bouquet beautiful. For the emphasis, the bold hyacinth. Be sure to follow the same lines with the stems, crossing from side to side, because that movement within the vase is half the beauty of the design. And repeating the same thing with the chrysanthemums. Letting them cross from side to side. As a final touch, just a small amount of the Dusty Miller, letting it follow the same lines and tucking it in, just to add a little bit of texture and contrast. The recipe, I started with 4 stems of the Phalaenopsis orchids, then 4 stems of the stalk, 5 hyacinth, 3 spray mums, and then 1 part of a stem of Dusty Miller. Not a lot of stems, but a lot of drama. Working on the horizontal line rather than vertical is a fun way to stretch your creativity. Thinking about the binding point and how the stems cross, keeping it neat and tidy, another professional technique. You'll find more education, more inspiration, more flower fun on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. What are you going to create using contemporary mechanics in a modern style, professionally applied so that it's fabulous? Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.